Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on an Expobar. We did some work on the group head gasket, we changed the pump, and a little tune-up on the group head. There we go. It's a nice fresh coffee. That is a nice shot. Going to go ahead and cut it a little short. There we go, very nice. Nice strong steam. There the water comes. The machine is asking again to replenish the water into the boilers. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video, and for more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.